to the question number 3 in exercise 1.1. It's been asked us to show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3p or 3p plus 1 using Euclid's division lemma. So here they didn't give the value of the positive integer. So let the positive integer be a. Okay. So as per Euclid's division lemma, we know that a equals to bq plus r, and in the previous question we have already discussed that whatever the b value we have to derive from the question itself. So here when you consider these two, these are in the form of bq plus r. So here bq, this is in the form of bq, hence we can derive the value of b equals to 3 from the question itself, and there is a condition that r can be either 0 or it lies in between 0 and b. So here the value of b is 3. So let us substitute the value of b in the equation. A equals to 3q plus r, comma r equals to 0, 1, 2. So it should be less than 3, that's why r equals to 0, 1, 2. So let us see in the each case. In the case 1, r equals to 0, let us apply this. So a equals to 3q plus r, that is equals to 3q plus 0, that is equals to 3q. A equals to 3q. So squaring on both sides, a square is equals to 3 square q square. Fine. Here I am taking 3 as a common, then it will become 3 into 3q square is equals to 3. I am assuming this 3q square as p. So let 3q square equals to p, because in the question it is asked to prove in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. So you have to write this in this exam also. So 3p. A square is equals to 3p. So in the case 1, it is proved that the square of the positive integer is in the form of 3p. Let's move on to the case 2. Case 2, r equals to 1. A is equals to 3q plus r, that is equals to 3q plus 1. Squaring on both sides, a square is equals to 3q plus 1 whole square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. Then a square plus 2ab plus b square. Fine. This 3 square q square plus 2 into 1 2, 2 into 3q plus 1. So from these two we have to take 3 as the common, because in the question it is asked us to prove in the form of 3p or 3p plus 1. So only you have to take common as 3. So 3 into 3q square plus 3 we take a common, then 2q and plus 1. So I am assuming this as p. So here let 3q square plus 2q is equals to p. So this is in the form of 3p plus 1. So a square is equals to 3p plus 1. Here this thing you have to write in the exam also. So in the second case it's proved that a square of the positive integer is of the form 3p plus 1. So let's move on to the question number 3. Case 3. At r equals to 2. A is equals to 3q plus r. So 3q, substituting r in the equation, 3q plus 2. A equals to 3q plus 2, squaring on both sides, same. 3q plus 2 whole square becomes 3 square q square plus 2 into 3q into 2 plus 2 square. Okay, here you can take 3 as a common, it becomes 3q square plus 2 into 2, 4. You have taken 3 common, so it becomes how much? It becomes 4q. Okay, 4q plus this is 4. Okay, here one thing, it should be in the form of either 3p or 3p plus 1. So let's bifurcate this as 3 plus 1. So in the next step, 3 into 3q square plus 4q plus 3 plus 1. So here also we can take 3 into 3q square plus 4q plus 1 plus 1. So this entire thing I am assuming it as p. So here a square is equals to 3p plus 1. So in the third case also it is proved that a square is equals to 3p plus 1. So here you have to write in the exam that let p equals to 3q square plus 4q plus 1. You have to write this definitely in the examination, you have to write that. So hence it is proved that as per Euclid's division lemma, square of any positive integer is of the form of 3p or 3p plus 1, is of the form of here 3p plus 1 and 3p plus 1. In the three cases, So it is the condition is satisfied and hence the theorem is proved. Okay, this is the solution. In case you like this video, do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.